Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed the concept of given expression is converted into conjunctive normal form with some basic examples. Now in this session, we will move some more examples of converting the given expressions into CNF. First of all, what is a CNF? Conjunctive normal form. It is the expression is converted in the form of product of sums. Now coming to the first example, negation of P or Q biconditional P and Q. How to remove the biconditional? There are multiple logical equivalents. So P biconditional Q is equal to P implies Q and Q implies P. Remember, this is not only the term, you have one more expression. P and Q are negation P and negation Q. Depending upon the requirements, we can take any formula. Now in this entire is P, this entire is Q. Convert into that formula. P implies Q. P implies Q and Q implies P. Q implies P. Clear? Again, remove the implication. How do we remove the implication? P implies Q is equal to negation P or Q. So, this entire thing is P, this is Q. Negation P, already negation is there. Negation of negation, that is P or Q. P and Q. This is my first expression, and here also do the same thing. Negation P or Q. Negation of P or Q. Q in the sense this expression negation P or Q. Now in this P or Q or P and Q, apply distributive law or over end. That is P or Q or P and P or Q or Q. Clear? And De Morgan law. So negation P or negation Q or negation P and negation Q. Now in this P or Q or P, anyway this is P or Q and P or Q or Q. This is P or Q. Q or Q is equal to Q. P or P is equal to P. This is my first expression, and here also apply the distributive law or over end. So negation P or negation Q or negation P. This is first one. This is negation P or negation Q or negation P. And again negation P or negation Q or negation Q. Now P or Q and P or Q, that is P or Q only, and in this convert negation P or negation P, negation P or negation Q or P, all are same. R operator, negation P or negation Q or negation P. Simply this is negation P or negation Q and negation P or negation Q or negation Q, negation P or negation Q. Now finally P or Q, remove all the brackets, P or Q and negation P or negation Q and negation P or negation Q. Here both are same. This is the final answer. P or Q and negation P or negation Q. This is the CNF for this example. Always remember, if you have a statement PRP is equal to PRP, idempotent law. P and P is equal to P only. Clear? Now this is the first example. Clear? Now move to the second one. Second one, P by implies Q and implies R. So first P implies Q and Q implies R. P implies Q and Q implies R. Or else, to simplify, you can use like this also. Negation P by implies Q or R. First I am reducing the implication. Now negation of P by implies Q. See, same procedure. Negation of P implies Q and Q implies P or R. P implies Q and Q implies P or R. So negation of P implies Q in the sense negation P R Q and negation Q R P R R. So apply the negation, De Morgan law. Negation of negation P R Q or negation of negation Q R P for the entire expression R R. Now again De Morgan law. P and negation Q R or negation of negation Q and negation P and R operation. Now apply the distributive law. Till now there is no confusion. Just I am converting by implication into implication. Again that implication into this formula. And apply the De Morgan's law. This is the final expression you are getting. Now apply the distributive law. Apply the distributive law. This is R. This is R. More than one R is also performed. How? Simply see. P R Q R R. P R P R Q R R. End. P R P R negation P R R. First I am taking P. P R Q R R. P R negation P R R. Next I am taking with Q. Negation Q R Q R R. End negation Q R negation P. Negation Q R negation P R R. Now any conflicts is it? P R Q R R. P R Q R R. P R negation P. P R negation P in the sense true. This expression is true. True or R. True or with anything that is true. Sorry, this is true. And negation Q or Q is equal to true. True or capital R is equal to true. And negation P or negation Q or R. Even you are changing the order, not a problem. Why? R operation is commutative. End operation with tree. Finally, the answer is P R Q R R and negation P R negation Q R R. This is the conjunctive normal form. This is the sum term. This is the product of sums. Clear? This is my second example. And move to the last example. Am I erasing this one? Negation of P implies Q and R. First, negation of P implies negation P R Q and R. Apply the De Morgan law. P and negation of Q and R. Apply P and negation Q R negation R. This is product. sum term. This is sum term. This is product term. Even single literal is also considered. Now, simply it is in the CNF format. These are the different CNF examples. In the later sessions, we move to principal disjunctive normal form and then principal conjunctive normal form. Thank you.